In Revit, there's a way to check spellings, and also there's a smartest way to find and replace texts at once. Click any text, check spelling. Here I can change to this one. Click change. Yes. Click close. Now it's changed to something like this. So there might be a couple more texts. So I want to change all at once. Click the text, there's here find and replace. Click on it. I want to find this one, not a current selection, but I want to do the current view, or I can make it the entire project. So I'm gonna find them. Here the lists are appeared. I want to replace with something like this, or I can type whatever I want. Just let's say I want to replace those texts with something like Autodesk or Revit, whatever you want, then replace all. Close, close. Now here we go. I've replaced all texts with Autodesk.